So a lot of you probably know that we are famous for having the greatest masterclass that ever existed on planet Earth, okay? Now, today we're gonna talk about where you can host your masterclass. We definitely have a preference, but we have some amazing options ranging from free to very inexpensive to our favorite place where we host our masterclass, all about
how if you want to create an online course or an e-learning program successfully in 90 days or less and save tens of thousands of dollars in the process, check out that free masterclass link below, our gift to you. Go and serve.
So now let's go through 4 places you can host your masterclass. Now, if you aren't worried about having a wall between you and your people, or if you need a place to host your masterclass and then embed it on your website, YouTube is a fantastic place to do it. Okay, it's free. You can literally upload it to YouTube. It can live on YouTube as one of your videos on your channel, and then you can embed it in your site, okay? That's the first thing you can do. The second thing
is you could utilize Vimeo. Vimeo is another great place to host any type of video, but specifically your masterclass.
In this case, Vimeo costs money. Unless your masterclass is very small and doesn't take up much space, it costs money, okay? The benefit here is that it's not gonna be indexed by YouTube, which typically when we're talking about marketing, I mean, we have 480 videos on our YouTube channel. This is one of our main marketing avenues, but our masterclass, we don't really want everyone seeing until we get their email. So on Vimeo, people don't necessarily have to see it. It can be here and then you can embed it on your website, which is awesome. Now, you could also use Loom. Now, the biggest benefit of Loom, now by the way, Vimeo actually allows you to screen capture now as well. So maybe it isn't the benefit that Loom has that Vimeo doesn't, but Loom is less expensive.
Yep.
So what you can do is screen capture your entire masterclass here, which we actually did.
Yep.
We screen captured our entire masterclass using Loom and this exact setup that you see. And then we actually host our masterclass natively on this platform called Kajabi.
Yep.
But you could technically keep it in Loom and embed it on your website as well. Here's the thing. We highly recommend that you use some sort of platform like Kajabi.
That's our favorite. That's what we use.
It allows us to not only host our masterclass, it hosts all of our lead magnets, it also hosts our online courses, and it runs all of our email marketing. It allows us to manage our entire business, point of sale systems, everything, payment processing. Kajabi allows us to do that. Now, if you want a 30-day free trial instead of the 14-day free trial that Kajabi gets, if you just Googled them and went to their website just now, use our link right below this video. It allows us to give you a 30-day free trial, and you get to show some support to us. We get a little commission, no extra cost to you. But here's how it goes. Here's our masterclass, Hector.
So you click on the good old free masterclass, and then we ask for that email, because remember, when you're selling online courses, or really when it comes to digital products or just products as a whole, email is where it is at. And we're not complicating it here. We're not asking for first name and last name and phone number and address and what they had for dinner yesterday.
Literally just your email.
Their email. They get into a landing page where they're given the gift of the masterclass, and then they're automatically put in that email sequence. So for example, if you were to sign up and get this, claim your free gift today, you will see an instant email hit your inbox with a link to access this masterclass from your email as well, which will direct you to this page.
Yeah, so no matter where you host your masterclass, your workshop, or your webinar, you want to host it in a place where it's behind a lead capture form wall. And we recommend, as Hector said, keep it simple, okay? Then what's great about Kajabi is Kajabi hosts it natively. Well, they actually white label another place you can host your masterclass called Wistia, okay? But Kajabi has it all within its platform. So you don't have to have a Wistia account as well. You don't have to do any embedding. You just upload a Kajabi and here it is. Now, if you don't have the luxury of using a platform like Kajabi and maybe you need to host your Masterclass somewhere else, still set it up this way so it's behind that wall, and then yeah, you could use YouTube or Vimeo or Loom or Wistia. Now, you gotta be careful because if people can find that Masterclass on the internet without having to sign up with their email, that could be a problem for you, which is why we like to use an all-encompassing platform like Kajabi, because this is nowhere else on the internet unless you actually sign up, because we're actually hiding this page. Kajabi allows us to hide this page from search engines and from indexing online. So you can't get to this page unless you sign up with your email on the previous page. And then here it is. Like we said, we actually used Loom to record our Masterclass. And then same setup here. We have a green screen behind us. We projected it behind us. Now, if you want to learn more about how we created this exact piece of content, we go through this in milestone 3 of our YouTube 2K Blueprint course.
And we also have that free gift for you, which is our Masterclass. This right here. It will teach you how to develop an online course or e-learning program in 90 days or less successfully and save you tens of thousands of dollars in the process because we demystify it for you. Take and claim that free gift. We'll see you in it.
Thank you for the likes and subscribes.